Alright, welcome back to another Psychedelic Emuz Dev Sesh. So, today, we got up to last week, or yesterday, my bad. Yesterday or the day before? I think it was yesterday. We got, we got stuck into stuff and, ended up, getting stuck on a bug, um, halfway throughout it when trying to add to our ability system. And that literally took the whole 3 hours of my live stream. So today is just a matter of recovering from that and seeing how we can um basically we still have to work on the system um and try to make the system as usable as possible when we add item abilities. That didn't make much sense, but I'm not one for words, so let's just get into it, hey? All right. We forgot to load everything up, so we'll do that real quick. Make sure Chatty's on as well. She's on. So, how are we all today? Oh, never mind, it's on. Didn't have to do a monologue. So, where were we? We got the slots highlighting now. That's an error. So I remember the inventory is not being updated. Inventory is not being saved. So clearly that's a problem. It's not a problem because it will save once we're in the menu. So yeah, that's actually not a problem. Actually, it is a problem because while it will save in the menu, it won't actually save once the durability or such goes down. The test scene. So that's something we need to do. Go, and we did this. We added highlighting, and you can unselect like that. Unselect should be getting rid of active abilities, but it's not. So we need to change that. You can change it to just of the hand. Maybe. I don't know how we're gonna change that. Alright, well let's do that. That's our first task. We want to be able to change the item to nothing. Let's open up scripts. Probably be in story system. Controllers, displayer. display is handling the deselect. Where's the deselect? Deselect handling. Ah, we need to run change slot, change abilities here. So we need to go channel. It's a channel. On select item channel. Got raise event. We need to pass in a new item. This is going to throw an error because we haven't instantiated our item in the item container. That's what I'm assuming. Let's try. Okay, no reference. And it's because we are passing in no abilities here. So this is not being instantiated. Have to do something about that. So it's because the item is null in itself. So we need to actually test if the item is null. Can I do this? Like I can. And change abilities will pop out as null. Okay, and we do the null check here. Alright, let's see. Yeah, that was easy. That was easy. I thought it was gonna be heaps harder than that. Fix that bug like it was nothing, dude. That's because how cool we are. Let's push this to the repository. And I remember we're doing it more broken down. I like that better actually. Live streaming plus we'll just write in updated ability system. Plus imported. We imported that pack. That pack. Yeah, Sprite Shaders Ultimate Pack. Sprite Shaders Ultimate. Okay. Just live streaming plus what did we just fix? Ability bug. Okay. Select nothing bug. Stop that. Start a new one. Go this live streaming. What are we gonna work on next? You're out. So that's one of our ability problems down. Have abilities. We seem to be able to get the abilities to work. We can't highlight stuff. I guess we create another ability, really. We need a default item. So like a default hit. That's what we need. Need a default hit. Like a hand item. So that when we deselect, maybe if we deselect nothing happens, but if we deselect that, or when we select the hand, we can kill things with the hand. And that should always be available to the player. Just wondering where to put it. So we can have like a separate inventory here. So I was thinking of having one for shooing the bugs, so it actually doesn't hurt the bugs, and one for damaging the bugs. That might be better, because there might be a time when, you know, one of these poisonous bugs are near the are near like a cake or something, and you kind of just want to shoo it, not really hurt it. You want to use the shoo button. Or you could just make the hand really low damage. But then you'd have to click so many times to kill it. Trying to think. I should do this. And should we keep it as an item, or should we just go in the ability controller itself? Just go, the ability is nothing. There's no active abilities that activate the hand ability. It would still be nice to have like a hand notifier or something like that on the side. Yeah. Just to tell the player, you know, that you've got the hand selected. Maybe it's not necessary. Just thinking, oh, go back to this. Yeah, well, you know what? We'll do it. We'll do it if we have nothing selected. It defaults to hand. Let's do it like that. So in here, need to go if active abilities is dot length is less than is equal to, or what is less than 1. Let's just go as less than 1. Then we have no abilities. Cool. Let's go up here and put in base abilities here. Private base ability on no ability. Default. Let's go default abilities or something. It's like nothing abilities. Whatever, that'll do. And let's go in here and let's go what? Oh, we just did that. Make the active abilities equal to that. Active abilities, nothing selected ability. Cool. And then we can have add an ability here, and we'll go hand hit. Create a new data. Well, this is nice. Let's add that to the hand hit. Macro data. Data. Voice data. Hand hit. Hit ability. Okay. Hand hit. Okay. Ability name. Let's just go hand hit. It's a bug with your hand. Hit radius. What are we putting for this guy? 0.1. So the same. 0.05. Maybe even smaller, boy. And then 1. And we damage everything. Let's save that. Let's go to our player. Let's make sure that hand hit is selected as a nothing selected ability. Just copy this and save this and play. See what happens. So we have a problem already. I've initialized it, but it hasn't set correctly. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on start, private void start. We're gonna call change abilities. Change abilities. I'm gonna run null. Runner. Let's go. Got no reference. My cursor controller dot hide cursor. What? So it's trying to deselect the actions. It's trying to deselect our active ability actions. Or we've instantiated it. Okay, so we need to do not this here. We need to do it after here. We need to do it after this. There we go. Should solve that. There's my little cursor, my hand. Takes a lot to kill him. It's kind of what we want. You bastard. Alright. Alright, that's addicting just clicking these bugs, man. I could spend like a year doing that. I get a big cursor. And it works. I hit harder now. Select. Oh, we have the hand again. Cool. Yeah, that'll do. Let's delete this. Um, okay, what's next? Got that working. I think I'll start making some items now. Like we've done. I don't think we need anything else in the ability system for now to start making items. So let's upgrade our insect for now. Upgrade it. Bug health control. someone in the bug health controller. I get reference to the bug movement controller. Private bug movement controller. My bug movement controller. And then we get damaged. Let's add a float. So I want to add an effect. When I damage the bug, it goes like fucking ape shit. Get scared. Let's go private float. Let's give it damage time. Run time or something. Maybe we should do that in the movement. Yeah, that's better in the movement. Let's go public here, and we'll make a public function. Public void. Let's go run scared. And add another float here. Scared duration. Scared max. Scared max duration. Max scared duration. We'll go max scared duration. We'll go current private float current scared duration. 0. We run scared. We go current scared duration equals max scared duration. And on update, do it on update. Private void update. We're gonna go if run scared duration, current scared duration is more than 0. Current scared duration negative equal time delta time. And if we needed something to relax it. So we'll give it this for now. Movement type current movement pattern dot scared equals pattern dot scared, and then we'll go else. So if it's more than 0. If it's not more than 0, then we want, and if the current movement pattern is equal to movement pattern dot scared, then we want to return it to normal. Current pattern dot equals movement pattern dot idle. Okay. Right, and let's give these bugs a scare duration of like 4 or something. I don't really notice that it's scared. Oh, we haven't called it. Bug health controller. Want damage. We want my bug controller movement. I'm scared. And we'll just make sure that looks at the bug movement. Running scared straight away. Yeah, that's definitely scared. Let's just lock this so I can see what it's doing. That's definitely scared. That's kind of cool. Oh, it's fucking full scared, bro. Alright. It's sneaky fuck, come here, dude. This one just goes nuts. Like, fucking rah! They definitely get scared, dude. And you don't really notice it in the mix. There's nothing to distinguish them being scared. But, except their movement speed. Like, their movement speed is so obviously scared. Like, there's nothing you could do to fucking kill it. It's heaps harder to kill them. They're like that. Oh, fuck, I just got lost. Get the big guns out. It could maybe have, like, some form of effect as well when they're scared. It's kind of hard to, like, I don't know, it's not impactful enough. Like, the movement speed increase is nice, but it's not like I'd like to be able to really know that it's scared. Maybe I have like a trail behind them or something. Oh. But yeah, I think that's a different error. Yeah, so the wave already finished. We have other wave durations with empty lists. There's arrays that aren't instantiated. Whatever. I couldn't be bothered dealing with that just yet. Nice. So we have that happening. So I think it's a matter of durability now. There's a fair few item that does hit. Let's add that scared effect first. Let's look in our our sprite shaders and see if there's anything scary that we can add. Or not scary, but like an effect that makes it look like the bug is scared. Fly. Let's duplicate this fly side here. Let's create a new material. Let's copy this one. Let's look for like a glow sprite. Fly. Scared. I don't know. Fly. No? That do. Let's put the matte material in it. Okay. Maybe not burn. That would be kind of cool for the flamethrower. A glitch. Oh wow, okay. Hologram? Oh, enchanted. Enchanted fly, bro. Shifting? Ooh, maybe. Like that means it's scared? Something not as like strong, you know? Maybe the outsides. Oh, okay. It's kind of impressive. This thing's so strong, dude. What is this, man? Let's give it an outer outline. Oh, increase the width. Um, like the problem is I have to fade it for there to be an outline. I don't want to do that. Distortion. Why do I have to do that? Where's speed? What does that do? Sets this property. Um, oh, no. I'd like this to work, but it's not working. It's only working if I fade it. I not spray the whole Sprite out? This width is doing nothing. Outer outline. Why is the outer outline not working? Let's have a look at the Sprite. Simple. It's a Google time. Outer outline Sprite shade symbol. See, and that fades the actual this fades the outline. This fades my fucking Sprite. It's fading my fucking Sprite. The that additive. It's not the one we want. Let's go bug. Sprites. And it's a fly. I'm pretty sure it's just a fly. Wait, no. Let's lock this. Sure, it's just a fly. So, nations, sprites, fly, fly. Is it fly 10? Okay. Now let's see if this does it. See, as this becomes more apparent, that's not the behavior it should be doing. I think my thing's bugged. Guess we could make it red and have it. It's nowhere near as good. Like there to be an outline on glow. Let's get rid of this. It's really annoying. Have it like that, I guess. Let's make it bigger at least. I can actually see what the fuck. Oh, actually, it'll be. Yeah, I don't know about this effect. The outer outline would have been okay, I think, but the inner outline is not working for us. So we're gonna something. Sign glow. That's what we're doing with the red. Um, Maybe a sign glow. Really annoying. This outer outline's not working. Because I had that effect on that. What did I have on? Oh, that's kind of cool. I think. What? Let's just did it. Okay. Not sure what's going on here. This tints transparent pixels in a color. Go to the outer outline now and see what this does. pixel outline. Maybe pixel outline's what I need. Get rid of this for the time being. Some width. Okay, here's what we want. Pixel outline. For some reason. I don't know why the other one's not working, but this will do. What color should it be? Red? I don't want it too pronounced. Like 1.5, 2. How do I turn off and on stuff? Guess I just leave them all on, I think. It's kind of cool. Let's see what this looks like for the time being, and then if it looks like absolute arse, we'll change it. Let's go to script. Not this. This. We want let's make some headers here. Header references. Serialized field. Private. Let's go sprite renderer. My sprite. We should be doing this a lot better than what we're doing it, to be honest, but because this should be separated into a controller now, because I got two controllers basically, and I don't like that because, for example, if we have something on the health that adds an effect at some point later, I don't want that to conflict with the movement effect. But I don't like the outline idea anymore. Don't know if it's worth. I think the glow is better. Something like where's sign glow? Something like that. Leave it. We'll leave the pixel outline for now. That we need to test it. Let's go to Sprite renderer. Process movement. Scared. And go X. And we need to go my sprite renderer dot material equals dot material dot set float. Outline fade. Set it to 1.0. Turn it on. And at any other point. Mello, what's going on? The main man. Man himself. I was wondering if you're gonna jump on today. Need to get an energy drink. Alright. Last one. Yeah. Man. Yeah, I've got the heater on in my room as well. It's nice. I like heat. A lot better than cold. Now we just need to make an outline. Well, whenever these are set. To be false. So if I want it to rain heavy every day because fresh air. Okay. Yeah, the smell of rain's nice, yeah. But I like my heat. I don't mind like humid heat, so even if it has a scared, want to set the effect. Dew or something? What does? Right, let's see what this looks like now. This movement should be happening straight away, so that should be fine. Show up a lot for people. Oh yeah. Nice, dude. Dude. Cheers, man. Sprite renderer is not. Okay. That should be fixed. One of them's not, because I didn't push the changes. There we go. It's running scared now. Could change this effect. I think we might change this effect. Oh, the fucking cunts, man. So when we die, I want the effect to turn off. Do that. Because it is proven that if I stay for a long time and talk a lot, then I will keep showing up. Oh, there you go. Yeah, legend, dude. It's quiet ever since Stockfish left. He used to join in all the time. Monsky now. It's sad. Maybe once or twice. Maybe I should flick him a message and say, hey, I'm streaming. I think maybe. I think you saw him once. I think one person actually knew you. I don't think it was Stockfish, but someone else knew you and you had just left. You went AFK and he knew you from another stream. Pretty interesting. Die. That would be death. Should be fixed now. Didn't work. So this it should have actually, shouldn't be red still. This effect should be turned off. Save the script. Save the script. I do it before. Hmm. It's annoying. A lot of people have seen me around the place. They always say I saw you in so and so's stream. Oh yeah, yeah. There you go. Are you in all the dev streams or something? Because apparently the dev streams, there's not many dev streams. I don't know if that's true or not, but that's what someone said. I know what the problem is now, by the way. And we're going to fix that now. So we're going to create a new script and we're going to call it bug effect. Bug effect controller. Size field, private sprite renderer. My sprite renderer. Then we're gonna get all the effects in here. Public void display per effect. Let's go to the bug health controller. So the animator and the sprite renderer is going. It'll need reference to bug effect controller. Bug effect controller. This is this. It's this in here. Maybe we need a bug controller script that talks to all the scripts. That might be a better way to go about it. Because, yeah, I'm doing this in a hell dodge way. I didn't really, like with the other scripts, I was careful to do it nicely and prepare it, but now I'm just kind of rushing it. And it's like, and it's just not good. It's not good, and I regret trying to rush it. Um, I don't feel like doing it today. Animator. My animator. We'll do it this way because master script will still be the it'll still be fine. Do it like this. And we'll brainstorm how to do it a little bit better after today. So probably tomorrow's live stream I'll brainstorm it with a Coggle or board or something like that. Display scared effect. And what we can do here is we can have a ball here. Is scared effect displaying. This isn't going to do anything. Doing this. Bug effect controller dot death play death animation. Also, anime I said I was going to watch last night was a mistake. I thought it was going to be a girls with guns anime, like so many others I watched. Oh, okay. And you wanted a girls with guns anime? Yes, that's all the effects from the health controller. It's done now. It's just a matter of getting these out now. So I want to know when this changes. So what we're going to do here is instead of it being public, we're going to make a public getter and setter. We're going to make this private, serialized private. Then we're going to make a public getter, movement pattern, current movement pattern. And then we're going to specify get, current movement pattern equals value. Oh, get, sorry, my bad. Return movement pattern. And then what we're going to do is we're going to have a set movement pattern. The public void set movement pattern. Like the anime Girls Last Tour or Girls and Panzer, but with the opening for the anime, I swear started with someone sucking someone's toe and I shut it off. Fucking hell. That would have been a rude shock. There's definitely some kinky stuff out there. Set movement pattern. Let's put the semicolon at the end. Someone said to me that there's like 1 in 5 dudes have a foot fetish. That's what it reckons, dude. How many people have a foot fetish? It's like 1 in 5 or some ridiculous figure about that. A guide to foot fetishes. I don't have a foot fetish. This relative frequency. Estimate the relative frequency of fetishes. In 2006, researchers examined 381 internet discussions of fetish groups, which at least 5,000 people had been participating. Researchers estimated the prevalence of different fetishes based on the following elements. Okay, so this is it was concluded that the most common fetishes were for body parts or for objects usually associated with body parts, 33%, 30%, respectively. Among those people preferring body parts, feet and toes were preferred by the greatest number, with 47% of those sampled preferring them. Among those people preferring objects related to body parts, 32% were in groups related to footwear. Foot fetishism is the most common form of sexual fetish related to the body. That's so bizarre. I bet you has something to do with like an evolutionary standpoint. Like whoever had the fetish of feet, you know, like survived because their genes gave them like sicker feet. What? Sigmund Freud also considered foot binding as a form of fetish, although this view was disputed. Dude, even our man Sigmund Freud had a go at this. Foot fetishism has been defined as pronounced sexual interest in feet. For a foot fetish, points of attraction include the shape, size of feet, soles, toes, jewelry, toe rings, anklets. So bizarre. I swear there was a better article. What? Fetishes. 8. Why it happens. They're good ways to play. Is it common? A foot fetish is considered a mainstream sexual kink. That is, it's more commonly talked about and understood than some other types of fetishes. One study found that fetishes related to human body parts were the most prevalent fetishes. Foot fetishes or podophilia accounted for 50% of the preferences. Screw. Feet are considered the most fetishized body part besides genital body parts. Okay. There you go. That's enough of looking up fetishes. Got a question here. It's boring this stuff. Set movement pattern. Gotten distracted here, boys. Set movement pattern. Let's go what? Current movement pattern. Current movement pattern equals movement pattern. Whatever movement pattern we're setting it to. So we need to get up here. Movement pattern. Pattern. And then we're gonna go let's go set movement pattern. We need to check what that pattern is. So if pattern if current pattern is equal to pattern, we're gonna return it. And we're gonna go try set movement. We're gonna do that because there's no need to set the movement pattern when it's already been set. And we're saying try, so any developer that codes this in future knows that there's going to be in some cases where it doesn't set the movement pattern specifically, but tries setting it. So now we do the pattern discern. So let's go pattern. Let's go if pattern equals dot scared. We'll want to run the scared effect. So bug effect references in here. Bug effect controller. My bug effect controller. And then we're just going to copy this and display scared effect. And when it's not that, we're gonna go my bug effect controller, hide scared effect. And that'll do it for now. That's all I needed. Button. Now we can delete this. Yep, now we can delete this. And oh, we need that. Need this. Don't need any of this. Oh, we need that. Actually do need this. My bad. Set. Try set movement pattern. I'm gonna go to current movement pattern. Oh, whoops. Movement pattern dot scared. good. And here we'll go the same thing. Try set movement pattern dot idle. And in here we try set movement pattern try set movement pattern dot scared, and we will remove that from unscared. Shouldn't do this. Oh, we should. That's fine. Yep. It's all good. Okay, let's go to the bug effect. Now on the death animation, process damage animation. The death animation, and we want public void play damage. Dark coroutine, process damage. Okay. I'm pretty sure we just need to go to the health now and add the damage. My bug, and we want my bug effect dot play damage animation. Okay, now that should work now. Let's go back to our beetle. Fly. Let's drag in our effect controller. Prefab. Controller. Set 0. Let's give this a hertz version 2. Add a sprite renderer. It's not that. This. And an animator. It's on this as well. And let's drag in our bugged effect controller for these bad boys. Save. Back into. Okay. Okay, so we have a problem. Boys are not the effects on from get-go. So on the bug effect controller, we'll just make sure that on start, private void start, make sure that our sprite is set to the correct material. Well, we need to do that as well, but it's set to 0. And by memory, we have a little something happening on the awake function or the it's on somewhere and it's duplicating the material. We'll leave it for now. If the problem occurs, I know what the problem is. Start. Let's look at this now. Happy little flies. Be little flies, angry little fly. Everything seems to be working. The death animations are now working as well. Okay, so we need to make sure the flies don't go underneath this this hotbar, because that's going to be really annoying if it's in the way. It almost looks like I'm targeted it, which isn't the case. It's just gotten scared. That's kind of what I want to represent. So I might change the glow effect a little bit to be the hurt effect to be just a glow and not an outline. I want to see what this looks like a bit closer up. I'm actually bad at this game, dude. Alright. I need to go to the toilet, so I will be back. I'm back. I'm back. Back. Let's just double check the streams. Check the chat. Okay. Let's go hide scared effect here. Just in case I want to add extra functionality to the scared effect. Hide scared effect. Or if I decide to change the scared effect as well, I can easily do it by just changing the function. That's nice. Hide scared effect, hide scared effect. And run this. And yeah, it's the same, Dave. Okay. What's next? We do need to see what's next. Fuck. Dang if I could. Bloody hell. I'm thinking could add another ability. So we can start making some actual items. That could be a go. Alright, let's try to start making some items. So we've done this. Let's go to the and hit plus death effects. Plus updated effects. Updated bug effects. Stop that. Live streaming. And we're going to create creating items. Let's leave that for now. Go to GitHub and push their changes. Let's go added hand hit ability plus added plus updated bug effects. Pushed. Right. The next step is creating an items. So get one note up. I drifted off. So let's. What are we doing? We are adding. Bug. So bug swatter. That's the weapon we've got. That's right. We have to add durability. I really don't want to have to do that yet. There's something I can do. Avoid having to do that yet. With the salt pump shotgun, that can just be hit, except really large radius. Oh, let's just make that. Let's just make a couple of those then. Let's go data, items, system. So we want bug swatter hit. Damage amount. We'll make the damage amount a little bit less than 5. And we'll, instead of bug swatter hit, we'll go bug swatter hit 0. So that's first bugs, because Elon Musk wants to upgrade, right? So we'll just do something like that. And then we'll work out Elon Musk later. And we'll do hand hit, that's fine. Just to hit a bug, has a small hit radius. We'll just use that for now. And then we'll create a new bug swatter for this. Salt pump action shotgun. Salt shotgun hit. Score. We'll just leave a shotgun here. I don't think we're gonna add upgrade. We'll add damage amount 8 and 9. Hit radius is large 5. Let's go 7. Five is way too big. Let's go 1. .5. And now let's make some items. So items. Let's create. Salute. Item. Salt. Pump action. Shotgun. Name. Salt. Pump action. Shotgun. Sprite. Created some sprites last time using AI generator. Maybe I'll get the AI generated sprites for now until I'm able to hire someone. Or until I make the sprites myself. Seems likely. That Let's import some assets. Assets import. I really don't want to be doing that today for some reason. Um, personal sources. I save it. Salute sources. Right, images. Oh, wow, that's sick. AI icon bug swatter. What's my other images? I got heaps. It wasn't just the backgrounds. I got heaps of um I got heaps of AI images. They're all gone, dude. Bug swatter. Let's just import that for now. Can we import it in such a way that it's transparent? Alpha is this isn't good. This isn't good. We actually need shit. It's in that folder. Maybe I saved it in a different spot. Oh, what? we'll just leave this for now. I really want to just stop streaming. It'll be an hour and 57 minutes. Let's fucking see if we can get someone on. Ability it is. Let's just go durability. Yeah, because we wanted sprites. So the problem is we need sprites for all these items. I can give them placeholder sprites, but I don't know where my placeholder sprites are. I can't get them really. Scored. Chat myself. That's a spray. A spray bottle. Not even the bright spray bottle. That's gonna be for salt. That can be for a shotgun. Save this. Triggers on backwards. I get B4 yet. Looks like most like a shotgun, but the problem is it's got the trigger on backwards. Can I get variations of description has paused. Spion. Oh well. I guess we can use it for placeholder sprites. Nah. Rather just use random sprites from in here as placeholder sprites. Go pump action shotgun. Oh fuck it. Get them in. quickly now because I've wasted too much time on this. Spray bottle. Save it. Let's go to sources. Look at this, dude. All of these broken files. This is a spray bottle. Save. Just double check that's been. I think it's because I'm getting out of the image before it finishes saving. That's my assumption. Salute. Resources. AI images. Yeah, see, it didn't save again. Spray bottle. Save. Yes. Next time I'm just gonna open in browser. Let's double check that that's saved. Oh, we're opening it. So definitely. Salute. Source. Oh, sorry. Save. It's done wrong. Maybe I need to just. Okay. I don't know what made it save like as a really rando format. Oops. What? Oh, it made one. Look at that. Oh wait, thumb's on the wrong side. It's like there's a thumb here, bro. Just deleting that, dude. Come on. Alright, let's import these assets. Let's go placeholder assets. Those. Save. Action shotgun. So action. Let's add this to the inventory database. Items. Let's add a new item. Let's make it assault pump action shotgun. Let's just say ID is always lowercase. Assault action. Assault pump action shotgun. Data. So save. Let's change these to actual abilities. Let's give that bug sort. Bug swatter level. Item database. Let's rename this to bug swatter level 0. Just delete this. Save that. Let's go to base. Bug swatter. Let's go to our areas. Let's put in a shotgun. Assault pump action shotgun. And a this actually. Let's add some data here. So this needs to load, so we need to put it in the shed. Assault pump action shotgun. And the other one is bug swatter. Bug swatter level 0. This I won't have to do this for the game. This would be have to load the shed. See? Problem, Houston. I don't know why that's throwing an error, to be honest. Test the data. What? Change this, dude. Oh, because it's loading, bro. Need to unload. These errors would never happen if in game, but it's probably still a good idea to fix it. But anyhow, I gotta go to the toilet again. I'll be back. Put it on pause. I'm back. So, when we load, we need to basically ensure that we're not loading empty, invalid inventory, basically. So we need to go to the inventory loader or similar. About displaying slots, go to query system scripts, query system, save manage, load the inventories. Go if item container dot item is equal to null. Well, actually, we need to see. So if item database dot has entry, item container dot item data dot item ID. we just get the item if it has it. Doesn't, well, messy, but in the problem. So go else, and we just need to eat it. Eat vegetables and potatoes equals mom's cooking. Semicolon. And then when mom's cooking equals shit, do a lambda expression here. Run. Else item container the item is null. And what we actually want to do is we actually want to just delete everything. So item container item data item data. That way, we're just making sure that the item ID is no longer there. We won't have an error. And what we'll do, what's going on? And what we'll do is we'll add a note here that goes deals with missing database entry. Let's press play. Visualization scene. Loop. Didn't work. Did even more random shit. It should be no. It should be no. Manager. Go back to the load manager. And we'll go. Why is it getting this item data? It really should already be working, so it's probably not this. The string was just null. Oh, should have removed it. Makes me want to play, bro. Left. Half hour. Now that's working. Let's add some goodness. So I think that we just do this, it'll create items for us. No, because it's loading. So we actually have to do it during play mode. So do that. Same. Back. Need a way to add the items. The problem is it's saved our inventory. When we open the inventory, it's loading from the disk, and those items are no longer part of the it's loading from the disk, so anything that we add here is being overwritten by whatever's written on the disk, and what's written on the disk is no inventories. which in theory would be fine if um it would be fine in gameplay because we would be um buying stuff from like Bunnings, for example, and that would be populating and saving the items there. But we have no way to manually add items. So we have to make a way to do. That's it. I guess we could just add an item here. But how hard is it to just add an item? Okay, it's loaded. That's how you do it. Shotgun. Let's get in the bug swatter. Sorry. Let's play. It'll fix itself now. Should be there. Because it would have saved that I have something. Move it. Play. Now those items should. Noise is horrendous. Let's go to the game menu now. It's not game scene. Let's see if we can kill with that gun here. That's how it would work. Shotgun. That invisible. Okay. 2 items are in. Durability. I don't want to implement durability yet. I want to do that today, dude. What did I do? Items. But we need to stop that because we can't go. Start it again. Let's go live stream. Let's add a spray. sprays. Sprays spray as long as the ability is held. I need to work out when it gets performed, but let's go to ability. It is ability controller. Want so run on ability hold. What we want here is ability held. And we need to run on ability hold. Nice. Pretty sure that should work the way. Let's see where this is being performed. Log.log perform. I'm pretty sure it's only running on the release. Ah, it's doing it on down. Callback context dot release or something. That's fine. That's actually really to the layer. Have a look now. So we're just looking for a way to call back call on ability press release, basically. Not exactly sure what these are. There's no callback context for um, let's do a Google. Input input system on this up. That's intense. Said I use some. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is new. Input action dot phase. Context dot phase. Okay. Two.
Good afternoon, Gertzie. It's 12:30 p.m.
Okay, so it's cancelled. The opposite way around. Just add a second. And okay, so that should work. Now we can implement spray, I'm pretty sure. Let's go. Actually, we might actually be able to override these. hit ability, spray ability. Actually inherit all the functionality from hit ability. Just make this protected. And then in hit ability, we'll make this virtual. Public hold. Damage. Just try damage area. Just make this protected as well. Yeah, actually don't. Set the circle and initialize. Actually, I guess there's an issue here. The damage amount to be times by time, delta time. That would be better. So now it's, because if the frames are going really fast, those flies are actually going to die quicker than a slower computer. So if you're getting higher FPS, more damage you will do. So we need to times it by time.delta time, which is the time between each frame. I'm almost there. I'm almost understood time.delta time completely now. So it's the time between the frames. You times it by time.delta time. So say for example, the time between frame was 1 second, it would, and the damage is 5, it would go 5. If the frame was 0.5 seconds, the damage would be 0.5. Right. And then that would happen twice because 2 frames happened in the space of 1 frame last time. So this is more accurate estimation. And then this should be fine now. So all we need to do here is create an asset menu, type of file name, data, spray ability, score. Should it just be data ability? Data ability. Data ability. Spray name. And I don't remember where we had the menus in the last time. Create spray ability. Yeah, that's not where we want it. So Aussie salute abilities. Salute is spray. So that's my spray ability. Let's go default spray. Default spray. Sprays insects. Obviously. 1 point. Let's give it 0.5. 0.3. Let's go 1. Oh, it has to be something small. 4 something. 0.2. Create a new item. Salute. Item. I'm going default spray. And we'll just in database add default spray. Check in spray. The item name default just casual spray. Yeah, and drag in an item ability. Spray buddy. Save. Alright, that should be good. Let's have a look. Hotbar in. Info system. Stories. Hotbar. Spray. Default spray. This will do for testing purposes. Putting it? What? Should be fucking them up. I need health bars. This is not doing anything. This spray is useless. What is this? Casual spray? Fucking casual as, dude. Why wasn't that hurting anything? Let's go back to our ability. It's clearly too little. Let's go 1. It looks like when it only does it when it enters the circle. Doesn't actually do it when it it's not dying at all. Bug somewhere, boys. There is a bug somewhere, boys. Oh, what's the time? 5 minutes. We can look for this. We can look for this bug in 5 minutes. It is damaging. Could just add a health bar, really. Yeah. It just will look shit. That's the only thing. Like a whole bunch of flies rando having health bars above their heads, like kind of ruins the vibe, you know? I do hate games for not putting health bars on though. It's like, who cares if it ruins the game? Like at least I fucking know what the health is. You know what I mean? Yeah, because I know it's a game, dude. You don't have to tell me that it's. You don't have to try to tell me it's fucking not a game. That's kind of my. That's been always been my reasoning behind it. Let's have a look at what this try damage area is doing. Yeah, it should be definitely damaging. Let's debug this. Debug.log damage amount. Trying to damage. Pass in damage amount. Have a look see. Yeah, so it's. Why is it so little? Sprays? I thought the spray would be absolutely OP as do, but it's actually not, man. It's actually hell hard. You have to keep it on it, right? And then, yeah. Let's just bump up the just bump up the damage and see if it is just the damage. Bump it up to like 5. That's ridiculous. Like this should be bump it up to 100. This should be absolutely monstering the fucking insects now. Yeah, it's monstering. 50. Okay, so it is hurting them. 10's a bit better. Maybe I just suck, bro. 5. 5's good, I think. Okay, if you didn't suck, you could kind of kill these guys pretty quick. Let's maximize and see if we can. It's actually harder, dude. How much it moves, bro. And when it gets scared, it's like, fuck, I gotta run, boys. Okay, dead insects. Dead insects everywhere. Dead insects everywhere. Dead insects everywhere. Maybe if I didn't suck. Alright, try not to suck. I just don't know if it's... I'm gonna display the health of the bug. Bug health. How can we display this? Let's just make this serializable. Let's see what the health is doing now. Yeah, so it's definitely going down. Dead, dead. Yeah, it's good. Working. Good. Save. Alright. That is the end of the stream. Yeah, boys. I can see you laters. I'll be back with a bit more energy tomorrow, I think. Didn't do too bad today. Well, at least we did some stuff. And we got past, we ironed out the bugs for start. Some of the bugs, I think. We're breaking it down. Let's have a look. We just created spray. Stop that. It's Aussie salute. Yeah, so what did we do? We created the spray ability. Oh, we created the items. That should not have taken that long. We created like 3 items. Oh, I guess we did import some AI images and stuff like that. And what's this? Hand hit, updated bug effects. I think we did it more of the hand hit, a little bit of it. Remember? Oh, that's right. We had to implement it working so you could deselect and it could hit. Select nothing bug. Yeah, had to do that. Bug effects. Yeah, that's right. We added a new controller to do the bug effects. Yeah, this is a good way to keep track of what we're doing. Let's uh push that last one and we'll just say updated created spray. I think that's what we did. I don't know where all this came from. Alright. Yeah, that's it for today. And I shall see you all in the next one. Ciao.